Hey guys, we're just doing like, yeah. Yeah guys, it's like resting here so we can do the camping. Yeah. Yeah. Pwede kang pag-camping dito guys. Yeah. Yeah. We are all enjoy the scenery. It's beautiful in the morning. Hiking in 2 hours. So another 2 hours to go down. But next time I come back here, I think 2.0. We've been reaching by next time, but this time is 1.0. It's really nice. The embrace the place and deep breath with the fresh air. Fresh air guys. Sus, ang sarap. Ang sarap, yeah. Really good. It's really nice, guys. No. Enjoying. I love it. I know my husband also love this hiking and resting, a quiet place that can relax, enjoy the morning dew. It's really have fun. Really have fun. Thanks God. Yeah, first time I do hiking. First time I do hiking, guys, in Malaysia. I never been hiking in our place, our country in Philippines, but here in Malaysia I do. And thank you God allowing me to, bakit nga naman ako nag-English? Ay, okay. So, mag-Bisaya ako. Guwapo kayo dari day dong. Tsada kaayo, nice. Really. Ano yun, ang hiking guys. So, sweat all out. Yeah, it's really good. This sun is pula. What's the name? We've been at blue water. Lake. It's a lake but you cannot swim. Hindi ka pwede mag-swim dahil it's dangerous daw. So just only a view. I don't know bakit hindi pwedeng magligo dito. Okay. Grabe siya. It's deep blue gyud siya. Blue water. Blue talaga siya. Promise. Really have fun. Yeah, see you next time. Bye for now. I'm enjoying myself. Yeah, and next time if you come here, you have to bring your own food. I'm luckily that my husband put a biscuit on my bag. Oo. O yun ba naman mag-hiking ka tapos wala namang restaurant. Ang ano ko lang, akala ko it's sa baba merong restaurant, so I didn't bring. So ang husband nako ang nagbutang og biscuit on my bag. Guys, I'm very lucky. But anyway, ang people, the group, kanya-kanyang bring na yung mga old hiker, mga seniors hiker, nagdadala sila ng mga food. So sa lamesa, talaga sharing. So sharing is caring. Anyway, it's my sisters in church, yung friend ko sa church, mga sisters ko sa church. Yan naman ang nag-ano na, let's go. So my husband say, go for it. You have to back your life again. Back to life. Because I struggling 3 months, guys. After nanganak ang anak ko. So, syempre, I am a great mom, a great nanay. So, I am the one who taking care of the baby since day one. So 3 months. But now, I need to back my life again. Yeah, back to my back to life na naman. Kailangan akong mag-active in my age, you know. We're not getting young anymore. So kailangan maging active ka, guys, for your health. Yeah, I'm struggling 3 months, so I feel not good. My body is not good. So kailangan ako mag-back ng activities again. Yeah, like aerobic dances. Anyway, every morning I do that. For now, I changed to hiking. And maybe weekly, something like that. Alright, there's a group here, hikers. So, bye for now. God bless everyone. Yeah, enjoying Malaysia view, Malaysia hiking. Yeah, first hiking ever. Bye.